Hello, everyone. The video shows how to integrate YiLuProxy with HideMyAcc Antidetect browser.
Firstly, configure YiLuProxy settings as shown video.
Then run HideMyAcc client. Create a new profile. Enter profile name. Select a browser source. Select a operating system. Select a browser. Then set up proxy. YiLuProxy supports SOCKS5 and HTTP protocols. Then forward proxy IPS. For static IPS, right-click an IP and select a port, 5500. Then enter 127.0.0.1:5500. Click Import. Then check Proxy. The IP is the same the forwarded IP in YiLuProxy.
For dynamic IPS, select rotating residential or data center IP.
Select the format of copying IP.
Set the number of generating IPS. Then select a location, such as Germany. Then refresh.
Right-click an IP and select a port, 5501.
You can check the port forwarding information in Port Forward list. Then change the port. Check Proxy. This is an IP of Germany.
If you want to use YiLuProxy dynamic IPS without running YiLuProxy client and forward IPS everyday,
you can directly copy a dynamic IP information. Change a location, such as Brazil. Right-click an IP and copy IP information. Then paste it in HideMyAcc. Click Import. Check Proxy. Now this is an IP of Brazil. Then set other browser fingerprint, such as time zone, WebRTC, geolocation, and so on. Then click Create. Click the Run button to run the browser profile. The browser will automatically enter a website that shows IP address. You can also get other browser information, such as browser version, time zone.
Then you can enter other websites, such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram to create accounts.
Then create multiple virtual browsers in HideMyAcc and create multiple accounts. Okay, the video is over. Thank you for watching and subscribing.